Offensive rebound. Manaman. No good.
Nice one.
First 2 points. The power hit the smart trap.
Huli, makatagal sila. Huli!
Mendoza. Tries to object into 2 points.
Huli.
Filipino on the clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Still.
Oh! Oh, sprint! Oh!
Another 2 points. Mendoza. EMW gets. Filipino. Nope, no good. And there's a foul on. Jersey number 10. First personal foul and first team foul. Offensive rebound for Ivan. Foul jersey number 22, Cortez. Personal foul and second team foul. 10 seconds to shoot. Boulevard jump, no good.
Oh, takbo! Takbo, Kim!
Rambling violation.
Eh! Bila!
There's only shot, no good.
Bila!
Manabak, side step. Single. Boulevard jump, no good.
Oh! Pwesto, Kim!
No good.
Nice one! Yan na! Sige! Uy, huli na yun, oh! Sige na! Run, run, run!
Pass. 4 minutes to go.
Uy, apat kayo dyan!
Three-pointer, no good. Loose ball.
Slide, slide, slide!
Now, 22 points. First 10-0.
Screen ka. Screen. Cut.
Steal. Oh! All on jersey number 22. Substitute. Number 2 from Bolivar.
Yan. Nag-send ko sa GC. Para kasama sa
Chinat ko nga si Sir Al eh.
Unbay.
Violation.
Hanapin mo sa Google Map. Google Map ka.
W11.
W11. Unbay. Google Map. Uli! Mo! Bila! Ilang pound? Baba!
Real. Sir Real ay bumaba.
Baba kayo! Uli!
Nice pass. Kapatid yun. Bolivar to Bolivar. 60 seconds.
Pasa kagad.
Seconds. It's a goal, Bolivar. First play, 2-point lead. Power Hook Smarts 9.
Get ka ng screen! Ano nag-screen sa inyo?
30 seconds.
Yan!
Nice rebound. 20 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. The warning for penalty, 13 seconds remaining. 13. 1-3. No more shot clock.
Tayo sa
Ano ba siya receive? Rotation.
Sir.
10 seconds.
Punta ka dun sa Waze mo, sir. Hindi. Messenger.
5 seconds.
Yan. Hindi dyan.
Foul,
Labas
jersey number 5. And first team foul, the FW. 1.7 seconds remaining.
Click nga yan. Makikita mo siya na okay na yan. Basta mag-kinlik na yan, makikita mo